Hi everyone, I've got an absolutely fantastic opportunity here today over on Bolton Road in Salford to show you this extended, spacious 3 double bedroom end terrace property. Now coming in to our hallway, we have our bay fronted lounge just on the left hand side, which leads through to another spacious reception room. This could be your dining area or your lounge, as you can see here. So all double glazed, gas central heated throughout. We've got some patio doors leading out into the rear garden, which we'll see in a second. And we've got some windows there bringing in fantastic natural light. So here we have our extension. So we've got a very nicely fitted modern fitted kitchen here with integral appliances and a centre island. We've got Velux windows up here, as we can see. So this is our extension. There's also an extension onto the side there where our patio doors are, and our further Velux window is as well. So we've got a fantastic space here, lots of natural light. As you can see, a great entertaining space, and also benefits from some understair storage as well there. Then heading out into our lovely rear garden, we've got our off-road parking, which is here, gated and access through the side. And here we can see the extension all the way out the back and to the side as well. So we can see the extension and the true build of the property. So this garden leads all the way around and to the front as well, and it's all block paved. So it's nice and low maintenance. So we've got, coming back through our kitchen diner here, and then ascending the stairs, we have 3 fantastic double bedrooms, and then we've got a lovely modern shower suite at the front of the property. So starting at the front, we'll have a look at our main bedroom. So here's the front bedroom. Nice spacious double bedroom, and then we've got our bathroom as well, which is housed at the front of the property. Spacious shower in there, 3-piece modern suite. And then we've got our second double bedroom, as you can see here, nice and spacious. This is currently used as an office. And then completing the property, we have our third and final bedroom. So we've got 3 good sized doubles. Property is conveniently located on Bolton Road, close by to lots of fantastic transport links, amenities. We've got Aldi within walking distance, local parks, schools as well, which are close by. If you would like to arrange a viewing of this property, please call our office on 0161 707 4900.